everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. Happy February. I hope your February is treating you well. Ours has started off very, very cold. It is absolutely freezing out there, and we have an ice storm and a lot of snow coming in, so that's exciting, but our plants are probably not going to love it. But luckily we're doing mostly all indoor stuff at this time, so we are working really hard on getting a lot of seeds started and a lot of those plants getting a head start on spring. So I'm very excited to do that, which leads me into our very exciting February giveaway that we are doing. This February I am super excited to announce our giveaway that we are going to be doing, which is going to be for a free biodome. So these biodomes are from STARTSEED and they are amazing so far. I am just trying them out for myself the first time this year and I am really excited about them. So what this one is, this is a 60 cell biodome, and what it does, it comes with 60 of these little sponges in here with holes already dug into them for the seeds, and you drop your seeds into there, get your seeds started. It pulls the water up from down here, and having this lid on it too, you can control how much humidity you want in and out. So these things are amazing. So this is going to be our giveaway for the month of February, which is really exciting because this is a really good month to get started on starting seeds indoors and getting a head start on your spring. So I'm really excited to be giving one of these away for this month of February. All you need to do to be entered to win, first of all, this is only for those people who live in the Continental United States, so that way we can ship these to you. And then all you need to do is be subscribed to our YouTube channel and leave a comment this month. You can leave a comment on any video throughout the entire month. You'll be entered to win as many times as you comment, but only up to one comment per video. So this month should be pretty active on our channel. We should be having quite a few videos coming out because we're going to be doing quite a few seeds starting. I have a lot of things to start indoors, so we'll be making quite a few videos. So be watching out for that, and if you leave a comment on one of those videos, you'll be entered to win. I actually just made a video the other day all about our biodome that we have and how we got it started. So make sure you check out that video to see how you get started using your biodome and how it works and all of that. And if you wanted to go ahead and get your own, and instead of waiting to see if you win, we do have a discount code for any of these seed starting kits that they have. They have a bunch of different sizes and like different size cells for the different sponges. So check those out. We have a discount code for $10 off. I will put that information and the link for how you find those in the description down below. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comment section and I will get back with you. Thank you so much for watching and good luck to everybody. I hope you all win.